everybody. I am Hexer Marheadbar, and I'm here to give you a short review of the VZR Model 1 headset. This headset just launched, and I just received mine. Now, the price tag on this is $349. However, it is worth that price. Now, in this video, we're going to discuss some of the features. We're going to do a short unboxing, and we're going to compare the sound of the microphone to that of a studio microphone like the Shure SM7B that I currently use right now. So stay tuned. You may wonder how much the VZR Model 1 headset costs. Well, good question. It's $349. It's well worth it. I mean, the headset quality is impeccable. I mean, I've never heard anything that's crystal clear. The amount of acoustics you'll hear in the background of music that you've never heard before, it's incredible. So I really highly recommend, if you're in the market to get a nice headset, look at the VZR Model 1. You will not regret it. So let's look at this Audiophile headset, the VZR Model 1. Like it says just on the website, you can gain a competitive edge by quickly pinpointing the locations of critical in-game sounds. And let me tell you what, that's on point. I've tested this headset. Inside Apex Legends specifically, I was able to hear enemy footsteps further out than I've ever been able to hear before. And when they're getting closer, you hear them right up on you. The spatialization in these headsets, the sound and audio it's really incredible. You just have to try it out for yourself. But we're looking at some of the specifications and what Crosswave is all about. How VZR is different from other headsets, it's got the patented Crosswave technology, which guides sound to the ear in a way that is more closely resembles real life listening, resulting in a natural sound and accurate 3D spatialization. We're going to look at the basic features of the VZR Model 1 headset. It has the custom 40mm drivers, the detachable boom microphone, an inline microphone, and it's got a pretty robust design. It looks pretty clean to me. Now, the inline microphone is right here. It has a little button to mute it, and then it also mutes the boom microphone as well if you have it attached. I don't use that microphone. I have a Shure SM7B, but I did do a test between the Shure SM7B and the boom microphone itself. And the boom microphone, it actually sounds pretty good for a headset microphone. See for yourself. We're now going to test the boom microphone on the VZR Model 1 headset and compare it to a studio grade Shure SM7B and see the difference in quality. VZR's signature breakthrough innovation, making its commercial debut, is a proprietary and patented technology called Crosswave. Crosswave allows the Model 1 to acoustically render natural, accurate, 3D spatialized experiences without digitally altering the audio source. VZR's signature breakthrough innovation, making its commercial debut, is a proprietary and patented technology called Crosswave. Crosswave allows a Model 1 to acoustically render natural, accurate, 3D spatialized experiences without digitally altering the audio source. Now take note that the first one was the boom mic from the VZR Model 1 headset. The second one was from my Shure SM7B. They both sound really good. The first one sounds a little low. Now I will also like to note that I'm going through a Go XLR on both of these headsets, and I have built-in suppressors, condensers, and a couple other things that you don't get by just plugging it into your computer. When I plugged the VZR Model 1 boom microphone into my computer, it was definitely a lot lower and it required a little bit more adjustments, and it picks up a lot of noise in the room as well. If you pair it with like the NVIDIA broadcast app, it might help reduce some of those sounds, or maybe the Discord, app in Windows could help. But overall, it sounds great if you can do some kind of software adjustments or hardware adjustments on a mixer on the side. What we have today is a VZR Model 1 headsets. They came in. See, the problem was they came in and I got excited. And, well, my quartermaster was like, Hey, you gotta wait for the video, but you know, I held the W key a little bit too much, so here we are, you know, just, you know, we got the shirts, the t-shirts came in too. If you pre-ordered the VZR headset, you got a t-shirt. Never saw the design until now. This is awesome. This is a good, awesome, good shirt. Winning sound. Even got the logo on the back. It's a custom ink shirt. All right. This, my friends, is a VZR Model 1 headset. Ooh, gotcha. Take two. This, my friends, is a VZR Model 1 headset. Dang, those look clean. Look at that. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video on the VZR Model 1 headset. Now, if you're looking for more information or to pre-order, you can go to vzraudio.com and you can pre-order from their website. You can also learn about the company and all the information on their socials. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.